In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Bluehost's website builder. If you've recently decided to create your own website, then Bluehost offers a straightforward and efficient tool to help bring your vision to life. Now, the first thing you want to do is confirm that your site was indeed built using Bluehost's builder. Let's start by logging into your Bluehost account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Bluehost dashboard. This is your main hub for managing everything related to your website, from your domain name to email accounts and, of course, the website builder itself. While you're on the dashboard, locate and click on the Edit Site button. By doing this, you'll be directed towards the WordPress admin area. Here, you want to check for two things in particular, either the website builder or Wondersuite. What these represent are the tools within Bluehost that you're going to use to customize your site. Think of them as your creative toolkit, filled with options and features to design your ideal website. If you see Website Builder or Wondersuite in your WordPress admin section, amazing! This confirms that you're ready to start building or editing your site with Bluehost's tools. If you do not see these options, it's possible that your site might be set up differently, and you may need to reach out to Bluehost support for further assistance. Understanding this verification step is crucial because it determines your next moves in crafting your site. With your site confirmed to be using Bluehost's builder, you can start exploring the customization features to tailor your website to your needs. Bluehost provides a user-friendly interface that allows you to drag and drop elements, change colors, and update text without needing any technical background. It's designed to reduce the complexity of traditional website designing approaches, enabling you to focus on what matters most, creating a website that represents you and what you stand for. A little tip here. Take some time to experiment with the different features and options available. You'll find design elements that can significantly enhance how your site looks and feels, and it's a great way to get familiar with what's possible. Plus, the more you explore, the more confident you'll become in making real-time adjustments that reflect your evolving vision. Remember, with the Bluehost website builder, you have a powerful yet simple tool at your disposal to help you create a professional-looking site, even if you're just starting out. So, dive in, be creative, and have fun. You'll be surprised at how intuitive and rewarding the process can be. Thank you for watching, and happy building.